Per and polyfluoroalkyl substances, or PFAS, are a group of synthetic chemicals used in various products, including nonstick cookware, firefighting foam, and certain food packaging materials, and may pose serious health concerns due to their resistance to natural breakdown. Known as forever chemicals, PFAS can persist in the environment and accumulate in the human body over time. PFAS can persist in the environment as well as your potable drinking water source. The new Watts Pure Water Total PFAS filtration system is an easy-to-install, single-stage, point-of-use solution certified for 99.5% total PFAS reduction. This system offers protection against a wide range of harmful contaminants beyond just PFAS, such as microplastics, lead, asbestos, cysts, chlorine taste and odor, and particulates Class 1. Unlike many existing systems today that focus solely on PFOA and PFOS, our solution is certified to meet NSF ANSI Standard 42 for the reduction of chlorine taste and odors and particulates Class 1, NSF ANSI Standard 53 for the reduction of total PFAS, lead, cyst, and asbestos, NSF ANSI CAN Standard 372 for low lead compliance, NSF ANSI Standard 401 for reduction of microplastics, and to CSA B483.1 as verified and substantiated by test data, giving customers greater confidence in the safety of their water. The Watts Pure Water Total PFAS filtration system connects to most standard kitchen and bathroom cold water faucets and fits under virtually any sink. Its filter cartridge is designed for quick and mess-free replacement, using a simple quarter-turn mechanism for easy removal and attachment. Customers already using a Watts Pure Water PWD WHCl1 lead reduction filter system can seamlessly swap out their current filters for the advanced Total PFAS filters with no additional modifications required. With the Watts Pure Water Total PFAS filtration system, your customers can trust their tap water again and enjoy sparkling, clean, crystal clear refreshment on demand. For additional details on this product, head to watts.com.